What up? Welcome to JJ's Home Tips. I'm going to show you a couple tips that'll save you, well, you're going to have to spend about 2 to 3 minutes, and you're going to save $2,000 to $3,000 on each one, at least. First step to the tip, pull out your fridge. Ugh. All right, move 2, unplug your fridge. All right, second tip, let your dog eat the cat food that fell behind the fridge. You're gonna remove this vent cover on the back, and you're gonna see all the dust accumulating on your coils. All right, then you're gonna put a brush attachment on your vacuum, and voila, your fridge will last for another 23 years. No, but I learned that tip the other year when our fridge was not working. We called to have it fixed. It was going to be about a $1,500 to $2,000 fix, he said. And I said, no, I can get a scratch and dent fridge for that price. And he mentioned, well, I could vacuum out the coils in the back, but it probably won't last for long. And so I told him bye. I went on YouTube and I found out how to take the little griller off the schmiggle, and the fridge has been working ever since. So there's a couple more tips like that in total saved us probably over $15,000. So stay tuned. This is your homeboy. Give me a shout out if you have any other home questions.